Good to have yours. Well, this is the receiver, or our amplifier that our bloke had before me to repair. There's an old Pioneer model Rondo 3000X-YA. Good old Pioneer. It all works nicely, but the right channel is a bit scratchy, so I'm going to fix that, clean all the pots and dust it all out. Uses STK ICs, but they're not made by Sony. I think they're a Pioneer or other equivalent. AGH003. Yeah, all going to be dusted out and cleaned. Clean the switches. Yeah, it's all exposed to dust. So it's all going to be cleaned out. Flywheel tuning. Yeah, that thing's in good nick. Pretty much a receiver, this one. You've got your tuner module and your amplifier integrated. I prefer the old all-in-one modular, where the amp's one unit, the tuner's one unit, and tape deck's all one separate unit. But these are pretty good. Got the old bulbs, and if you really want to get creative, you can put some LEDs in there. Some people do these restorations of these actually do that, put LEDs in there of different colours. And once he's given me a nice old boom box, an old National Panasonic boom box. He's given that to me when this is fixed, and that'll be my payment for fixing this. So I get a good boom box out of it. Then once this is fixed, he's got an old a rack mount Marantz system, which is needs a new belt to get the tape deck in it repaired. Everything else works on it. Just needs a bit of maintenance work on the tape deck. Needs new belts. But yeah, it's got the handles on the front, so the Marantz from about the same era as this. That'd be nice to look at. So let's get this thing all out in the open here. Nice little good work area under the light, and I can give it a good dusting and a contact clean. Get some speakers and I'll test it. Well. Just as I suspected. Yeah, we've got a bad STK IC. This is a Pioneer specific part, AGH003. Even though STK IC is specifically a Sanyo invention, these are a Sanyo invention, these in all-in-one modules. They cheaped out for minimal components for these things the way they were designed, but they're just not reliable. I managed to order one for under $20, which is awesome. The only problem is, the only place I could find it was in China. So it's going to take about 1,000 or so years to get here, so hopefully before the apocalypse strikes, I'll be able to get it. That's exactly the same fault this thing here had. This is doing that same fault with the left channel. Sure enough, this is doing the same thing that Sanyo was doing. A bit scratchy there. Except with a Sanyo one, I would tap it and it would come good. This one's not responding. Yeah, that's pretty bad by that one. All the bulbs are working. It's not working good at all. At all. So they're all loud that goes on that channel. The right channel's good. Plenty of loud in the right channel, there's nothing wrong with that one. But it works, the bulb there's blown. AM. Microphone. Okay, this one here is for this speaker. Right, that's the right speaker one, that one's fine, it's just the bottom one's the left one. That's the one that's playing up, so I've got to replace this bottom one here. Balance on right. Okay. Yeah, typical of those ICs that go bad. Yeah, bad IC, but I've already ordered it, so... I was expecting it 2 weeks to get here, but this says I should get it by September 1. Bloody hell, it's 2 months away. I better be quicker than that. Slow bastard China posts. Well, the bloke says no rush anyway, so he said don't stress, do it when I got time, so I got better time to hold on to this and fix it in the meantime. So he doesn't mind. He's got to find where he's got the other, but it's got plenty of stuff for him to fix, but it's actually worked out a lot cheaper than I thought to fix this up. For under $20 it's worth it. AM. Yeah, that like the inverter makes noise.
Like on locks, just right. It's extraordinary.
It's warmed up now, it's coming good.
Didn't think that I would ever hear that in a broadcast, but there you go.
Yeah, it's that IC.
Oh, anything can happen.
That's what the Sanya, that's what the Sanya he was doing. He did the exact same thing. It'll get warm, and that left speaker on this will come good. It's definitely that IC. STK IC fault. You like a transistor in there, like output transistors, just gone a bit leaky, and it just doesn't work properly. They're just trying to rely with these things, but there is a guy out there that actually repairs these circuits. He cuts it open, and actually reverse engineers and changes a little tiny die components themselves. It has an externally mounted on the heatsink on this chip, which is kind of cool. Does a good job. So there's some manufacturer that can commercially make a surface mount board equivalent that can go into. I know there's people that can actually do that.
Middle of Metricon Stadium, Ethan Hughes goes to right half forward. This is okay. Ace probably won't make the distance from there.
Yeah, it works, but there's noise intermittent, like a dial or silicon or something. It's intermittent and becoming slightly conductive, and it's just not working properly.
15 metres out directly.
Now that's warmed up, it's alright. But on FM, nothing, but it's on stereo. AM, no, mono, it's alright.
And he's third this year. Yeah. He's a forward from our other.
Yeah.
Contact. And Hardigan.
She ain't very good this one, but I'll fix it up.
Stammering approach. Does his best Josh Kennedy impersonation, but kicks truly.
Still well worth fixing.
He's first. The Dockers fourth. It comes 9 minutes into the second quarter. 4 straight 24.
Scratchy.
Adelaide 4 behinds on the Robot Building Supply scoreboard. Robot.
And that's the boombox he's given me as a payment to fix this up. So that's how it all works. That's got some scratchy controls too. The cassette works, but the belt's slightly loose. Nice little boombox. I've got an aerial for that too somewhere. That's all that's really majorly wrong with it, just the aerial.
This is exactly what we just asked for the Crows to do.
The controls are all smooth. They all work smoothly.
The Dolphins in this example.
That all works smoothly. That works smoothly.
Perfect. See how it's not too hollow where you can get multiple numbers to it? It's not along the ground like it's like a laser pass that's coming on the lead. You'll allow the big guys to get their run up.
Classic STKIC problem.
They kick their false goal and you go down the other end and the Crows still struggle to get...
And the bulb here for the power when the stereo indicator is blown. Oops. We'll replace that little bulb there and they can get the functionality for these two restored. That's how one's a power. The bulb for stereo, where the hell is that? That should be in there too, but it's not. What the hell is that one else supposed to be?
Anyone's stopping Rocky Neal right now. He's lifted Mundy. Mundy spending some time in the middle.
Definitely an STK.
Young, now Mundy against the boundary line.
About the same temperature, yeah.
That's a good mark by Zero. Getting better and better with every game.
AGH003, yeah, it's a Pioneer specific, as I said. It's a Pioneer STK IC.
Not severe ACL. Rick was on the
Good thing it's still pretty common.
Which
is a good thing.
Some other damage or some further damage around it, so some cartilage damage or some lateral ligament damage. So he's done well. That's the second intercept mark he's taken today.
Oh well, put it back together, I'll set it aside, and when the new IC gets here, then I'll have it all fully restored. There's nothing else wrong with it, it's working fine.
I'm not qualified, but I'll have a crack at it.
Bit of tuning in there.
Rolls and rolls and rolls all the way to the goal.
Peak signal.
Trips over himself.
No, oh there we go, loose bulb to fix there. And no light for this meter either.
If you are...
The meter's not sitting right.
But you've got some form of pressure. It doesn't make difference from texture.
It's not sitting quite straight, but we'll fix it. There's a fuse here, and let's go to the bulbs. This old twist wiring is kind of cool, I like it I did that. Anyway, let's move on to this boombox. Thanks for watching.